Hi everyone, I'm back again with another hairstyle tutorial. It's simple, easy, but very beautiful and elegant. First, I'm combing my hair. You can see what I'm doing. Yeah, wow. Then I get an elastic band to tie my hair upward. Look at how I'm packing it. This is what I'm doing today. I'm trying to look elegant. Who is ready to see the finishing look of this hairstyle? Wow, you can see I'm sitting down, relaxing myself, creating this hairstyle. Actually took me less than 20 minutes to create this hairstyle. Actually took my time to create it. This is the gel I'm using. You can see. Now I'm applying it little by little. I got an hairbrush. I'm using it to smoothen the gel on. You can see what I'm doing. I took my time in smoothing it so that the hair can come out. Voila la la. Look at what I'm doing. Yeah, that is it. Then I got a small brush to smooth the edges. You can see this is how I just smooth the edges to come. The next step, I got a blade extension to blade my natural hair. Then I wrap it on. I wrap it. Then I secure it very well. Well, I actually make it very tight so that I don't mess everything up. Ah, yeah, this is where the show is about to start. This is a blade extension. Now I got a small elastic band. Then I'm using it to secure it. Yeah, this is how I securing it. Just have to see what I'm doing. Then I put it on. Then I got four of these. I got four of these. You can see I got four of these. But first I'm twisting two first so that I can have space to twist it. Now I'm twisting it. Twisting it, but not too tight. But little bit not too tight. This is it. Looking elegant. Let's continue. This is how, let's see how I'm going to come out elegant, as we all see. Now I'm done twisting them all. Then I now took one of it, then I wrap it around the buns. You can see what I'm doing. Then I wrap it to come out. Voila, I took another one, then I wrap it on again. Look at what I'm doing. Then the third one, and I bring it out. Look at the way I'm wrapping it. So bring that beautiful look I'm looking for. Now look. Look. Look at how we are coming up. I got a bobby pin, then I'm using it to secure it so that I don't mess everything up. Look, and I'm trying to secure it. Look, how you seeing me? How you seeing it? Read this hairstyle. Look at it. This is the results. This is the results. This is how we came out with a beautiful hairstyle. Less than 20 minutes hairstyle. And I came out with this beautiful hairstyle. Now, rate this hairstyle for me. How am I looking? Bye everyone. Bye bye.